Sefer Devarim was written, was said by Moshe Rabbeinu after he conquered Og and Sihon. That's this in Pasuk, the beginning of Parshas Devarim. Acharei haKodesh es Sihon melech ho'emori hayoshev beheshbon ve'es Og melech aboshon asher yoshev be'ashtaros be'edrei. This pasuk is very difficult to understand. It says in Lashon Hoveh hayoshev beheshbon hayoshev be'ashtaros be'edrei. This is not current event. This was. They were killed already. They are history. Hayoshov, not Hayoshev. An interesting teretz in the Torah the Raise, B'Shem Talmud Chochom Echot. The Gemara in Bava Basra Daf Kuf Aleph Omed Beis speaks about Kvura, how to bury somebody. And if you find somebody buried beyeshiva, sitting down, it might be a goy, Kivre Akum. But if you find somebody mushkav, lying down on his back, it might be a Yisrael. Like Tosofos explains, Yisrael kovrim beshchiva, be'akum kovrim av beyeshiva. Sihon and Og were so big, they had to be covered them beyeshiva. So it's merumas in the pasuk, hayoshev becheshbon, hayoshev be'ashtaros be'edrei. They're sitting down in the Kevr. This is bederech drush. But Rashi brings down the sifrei. Heshbon was a medina kosher. Ashtaros edrei was a medina kosher. Sihon was a melech kosher. Og was a melech kosher. It was very difficult. Pishnaim. Melech kosher b'makom kosher. It was very difficult to conquer. How tall was Og melech Haboshen? Chazal say that Moshe Rabbeinu jumped 10 amos to reach with a 10 amos stick the karsul, the ankle of Og. With this we can calculate the height of Og. A karsul is usually a tefach. The average person is 18 times his karsul. 18 tefachim is the height of an average person. That means the karsul of Og was 30 amos. 1 amo is 2 feet. That's 60 amos to the karsul. Multiply 60 times 18 times, it's 1080. That's the amount of feet. Same like the amount of halokim that we have in 1 hour. 1 hour has 1080 halokim. 1 halek is 30 seconds. If an average person is 6 foot tall, in 1080 feet, you have 180 people mounted one on top of another. That was the height of Og with a Shir Hazon Ish. So the Torah is telling you, even though Og was superpower, even though his Medina was a superpower, the famous Og Hayoshev Becheshbon, everybody says it's impossible to conquer them. They're sitting in the superpower place. Afal Piken, the Rebbeinu Shalom gave it to us in our hands. Why is that? The answer is because we listen to the Torah. We listen to the Nevuas Moshe Rabbeinu. Somebody is over Divrei Hanovi, is Hayov Mitho B'dei Shamayim. If Moshe Rabbeinu gave us the Torah and told us what to do, if we would not follow, we will not be able to conquer Og melech Haboshen and Sihon melech ho'emori. The Rebbe's Tzvasem says, Tefillin shel Rosh is the machshava, Tefillin shel Yad is the zroa. Sihon melech hayoshev becheshbon, cheshbon is the machshava. Og hayoshev be'edrei, edrei is the zroa beloshon targum. And the Gemara says in Masechta Sota, if somebody was soch ben Tefillah shel Yad, the Tefillah shel Rosh, Chozer me'orech ha'milchoma, he will not be spared by ha'milchoma. But the Yidden over here, they did win. They were not soch ben tefillah letefillah. They were mekayim all the mitzvahs of Torah. In Rosh Chodesh Shevat, Diber Moshe. Moshe said, the Mishnah Torah. The next pasuk says, Ho'il Moshe. He explained. What's the repetition? The minchas chinuch has a kasha. The Gemara in Sanhedrin, Daf Peites Omed Aleph, Ho'over al divrei novi, chayov miso b'dei Shamayim. The biggest novi we had is Moshe Rabbeinu. So if a person is over an aseh, he did not put tzitzis on his beged. He wears a beged dalet campus without tzitzis. He is not chayiv misa b'dei Shamayim. But lechoiro, this is a stira with the Gemara. Moshe Rabbeinu was a novi. Over al divrei novi is chayiv misa b'dei Shamayim. So a person is over an aseh should be chayiv misa b'dei Shamayim. That's the kasha from the minchas chinuch. The Rogachover answers there is a nafkamino if you hear the novi by himself or you hear it from somebody else. If you hear the novi by himself, mi pe el pe, then it's a chiyuv b'dei Shamayim. But if we hear it from the Torah that was given by the Novi, there's no chiyuv b'dei Shamayim. Our generation is not mipi Moshe, it's mipi Torah's Moshe. Could be that in this man of Moshe Rabbeinu, there was a chiyuv misa b'dei Shamayim of every mitzvah saseh. The Brisk wants to say that there's 2 dinim. Nevuas Moshe and Talmud Torah shel Moshe. The Nevuas Moshe is a dibur bli hesber. Moshe Rabbeinu says what the Rebbeinu Shalom said, Shechina medaberes mitoch grono. Talmud Torah from Moshe is like a shulchan oruch muchan leodom leechol. He explains it should be ready halocho lemaaseh. Diber Moshe, ho'il Moshe. Diber Moshe goes on the Nevua. Ho'il Moshe is on the halocho. Diber Moshe is a diber without a hesber. Ho'il Moshe is be'er heitef, very well explained. Success. Diber Moshe kechol asher tzivo Hashem oso aleihem. What means kechol? Loshna dimyon. A Nevua you don't say with a hesber. You just said what Moshe Rabbeinu heard from the Rebbeinu Shalom. Kechol, with a dimyon. And Nevua Moshe Rabbeinu saw much more, but he only gave over be'erech. And there's a machlokes between Rashi and Tosofos. If Sefath Devarim, Moshe Rabbeinu said from himself, or he said mipi hagvuro. Rashi's shita is that Moshe Rabbeinu said it by himself. Tosofos' shita is Akan Shechina medaberes mitoch grono. From now on, Moshe Rabbeinu said it over beruach haKodesh, a lower madrege. And the Gemara Masechta Megila, Daf Lamed Aleph Amud Beis, when it speaks about being mafsik, give an aliyah in the middle of the Tochecho. In Sova Yikro, you may not be mafsik. Parshas Bechukosay, you have to say it in one aliyah. In Parshas Kisovoh, in Sefer Devarim, that it's Tzadik Ches Klolos, you are allowed to be mafsik and give 2 aliyos. What is the difference between Bechukosay and Kisovoh? Bechukosay, Moshe Rabbeinu said it, mipi Hashem. You're not allowed to be mafsik. Mashe Enkin, Parshas Kisovoh, Moshe Rabbeinu Omer, mipi atzmo. You are allowed to be mafsik. Over there's a machlokes Rashi and Tosofos. Rashi says me'elov, and Tosofos says beruach haKodesh. Comes out that the Sefer Devarim have things that were not said mipi Shechina. According to Tosofos, was not Shechina medaberes mitoch grono, but just beruach haKodesh. And according to Rashi, mipi atzmo shel Moshe Rabbeinu, Toiras Moshe. It says in Mikra Mefurish, that's what the Torah is mafsik, and it says kechol asher tzivo Hashem also. From now on is about all the things that the Rebbeinu Shalom told Moshe, but not the same way that the previous 4 were said. This is only kechol asher tzivo Hashem also aleihem.